I'm out in the rain. I had to get out. I'm okay under the trees. I had to get out. I couldn't stay in the house any longer. I needed some fresh air, and we need to stop letting this weather control how we feel. It's dictating our mood, and we shouldn't. There's things to do in the rain. You still should get out and enjoy it. Don't stay cooped up in the house. I do have a list of things to do when it's raining as well.
What we've been through, no one else knows. 'Cause all that matters is how far this goes. And then we're going to the States again. You and me, I feel like nothing can stop love from the and I'm not asking for much, just a couple of forevers, or just a couple of forevers, baby. I'm the only one, you're the only one, together to never, or just a couple of forevers. I'm only asking for forever, baby. I'm the only one, you're the only one, together till never. It can get hard, damn it gets rough. It can get crazy, but not for us. 'Cause we got the struggle just to stay alive. You and me, I feel like I was nothing